What's up, Outlaw Nation? Let me give you a quick video. This goes along with that series of learning how to use your handgun and your pistol. How do I charge my magazine? All right, so first thing is, you can look at your magazine and what you're gonna run into is, you're gonna say, sometimes it holds 10, 12, 20, doesn't matter what that number is. As you start putting bullets in though, those numbers aren't gonna line up. So in your mind, just forget those numbers. Like, don't even worry about them. Did they put them in there? I really don't even know why. It was like a good idea that what I've noticed over the time is it confuses more people than it helps. So, second thing is, here's how I do it. It's pretty simple. You can take a speed loader, a hand loader. They make little hand loaders. I've never used one in my life. What I've always done is take the bullets that I'm gonna use and count them. Know that I've got, this is a Glock 48 mag, it holds exactly 10. Know that I've got exactly 10 rounds in here, so I never mess this up, right? I never mess it up. Then what I do is I take the magazine, hold it straight up. I hold the round in my fingers and I push the round down and put it in. Next thing, come on the top and I push this top portion of it down and just slide it in just like this. Sometimes you're gonna find that, especially brand new magazines, they can be very difficult to load, okay? When they're very difficult to load, you can put it up against your chest and you can mash harder with your thumb and you'll find that they'll just go right in, okay? So after I get these and I've counted all of them, don't put too many in, because if you put too many in, the back of the magazine will swell up and it won't fit in your gun, or when it's in your gun, it won't charge into your gun very well. So always count, especially right now while you're learning and getting familiar with the gun. Get the exact amount for your magazine and slowly push them in one at a time. If you need to get the quick speed loader because your thumbs aren't strong enough, that's fine. I'm a believer in getting those thumbs strong. Now, there are several magazines. If you shot SIG, if you shot the Springfield Hellcat, they're super, super hard to load at first. Keep mashing them in there. Count exactly, keep mashing them in there till you get all 12 or 13 rounds. And then when you store them, never, ever, ever unload them. Just leave them loaded all of the time. What you'll find is that that spring will get just a little looser and make it just a little easier to load and unload. And an unloaded magazine isn't gonna help you in a gunfight ever. So always keep your magazines loaded all of the time. It is an absolute myth that it's gonna hurt your magazines to keep them loaded. What will hurt your magazines is if you only keep 5 or 7 in here. But if it holds 10, put 10 in there. If it holds 17, put 17 in there. All right? However many it calls for, put that exact amount in there, leave them there forever, never change it, okay? Just leave it exactly like that forever, you're good. All right, Outlaws, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Put your comments below. Tell me what rigs are you using? How are you shooting? What ammo are you using? Put your CCW advice for the new guys down below for me. Help us get back in that algorithm. Outlaw out.